Some of my favorite posing tips. Now, one of the most common things I see people doing, and this is prevalent in people who are getting their photos taken for the first time, is that they usually have really tense shoulders. So they will stand up like this, their shoulders will be, up like this, and you won't really notice it until you start photographing a lot of different people. Having them just loosen up their shoulders, you can tell them just to kind of loosen up and they will kind of drop down their shoulders. That brings me to my next point. You want to make sure that somebody's not doing something like this, with their arms back, with their shoulders back. Bring the shoulders to the front. It makes it look a little bit more natural. You get some nice shape. There's a lot that you can do by just moving the shoulders to get a nice shot. And then the very last tip is the palms of the hands. I really don't like retouching the palms of the hands. It's no fun. And sometimes it just doesn't look right. So what I would suggest is just bring the palms in like this so that you have this nice hand. It's a lot easier to retouch too, but for the most part, the outside of your hand makes for a much interesting picture in my opinion.